Our application process has now moved to an online portal called Gate Front Office. This mini tutorial will guide you step by step on how to navigate the front office dashboard, highlighting the key sections you'll need to access. Currently, the Community Initiatives Program, CIP Operating, and the Community Facility Enhancement Program, CFEP Small, have transitioned to the front office portal for this process. By this point, you may already be familiar with or have completed the following. If you haven't, or if you need help, please watch our previous mini tutorial videos for guidance. After logging in, you will be brought to this page. There are helpful tips included on the main page about the portal should you need it. To the left of your screen, you will see a navigation bar with the following headings. First is the My Work page. This is considered the home page that you can return to at any time. The key feature in the My Work section is the Recent Submissions bar, where you can easily access your applications marked as either in progress or complete. To continue working on an application that is in progress, simply click on the tile and the application will open for you to resume your work. Next on the navigation bar is the Funding Opportunities page. This is where you will find a list of all the current funding opportunities available on Front Office. You may notice funding opportunities from other Government of Alberta departments that also use the Front Office system. To narrow your search down to a community grants program, simply type the program name or community grants in the search bar. At present, the only community grants programs available through Front Office are CIP Operating and CFEP Small programs. Clicking on a funding tile will start a new application. Please note that funding opportunities open 90 days before the intake deadline. If the grant program you're looking for isn't listed, it may not yet be open for applications. Third on the navigation bar is the Applicants page. This is where you can view your profile and update your applicant profile information. The applicant profile can be updated at any time, and it's the organization's responsibility to ensure that this information is current. And finally, the User and Contact Us pages, which is at the bottom of the left side menu, is where you'll be able to log out or change your password. By clicking on the Contact Us page, you'll be able to email community grants if you need assistance with Front Office. This concludes the mini tutorial on how to navigate the dashboard in Gate Front Office. If you have any questions about this process, please contact Community Grants at 1-800-642-3855 or email us at communitygrants@gov.ab.ca.